Hi there guys and gals, good day to each every one of you. Not so sunny afternoon. Guys and gals, time to reveal for how much coins that I've saved. Yes, guys, congratulate me because I beat my record last week from 2,547 pesos. Now I've got a whopping of, you can't really believe, 2,913 pesos! Congratulations! See that? Almost 3,000 guys and girls. You're saving. That's what I'm telling you. Really? Also you? Ara girl, ara boy. Perfect. Very good. So guys and girls, always save money, okay? Not because it's Christmas countdown, but as every day of your lives, okay? Bye for now.